Hi guys, so I'm in the kitchen today and I want to show you how I make my egg curry, just to break the monotony of meat and all that. So I'll start off with the ingredients, the dry ingredients, and then the vegetables, and then the eggs, how I do my eggs. So here I have my eggs, I have my hoho, my tomatoes, my dania, my onion. My egg yolks are here. These are the whites, and then I have my cabbage. Sorry, I have my carrots, and then for the seasoning, and onions. And also I have some garlic here. Then for my seasoning, I have my tomato paste, obviously salt. I have black pepper. This is turmeric. I have some garam masala. I have some pink Himalayan salt, and then I have some good old dark superior soy sauce. Now let's get cooking. Okay, getting ready. So I'll just close that while we wait. So I'll put in some garam masala, and I'm going to put a bit of black pepper. These are the spices I'm using. You're free to use whichever. I'll just stir that in first. I'll stir that in. My garlic has already started to brown, so I'll put the spices in. So the next part, I'm adding my carrots, my grated carrots. Trying to add them into the mixture. I need to add a bit of oil, because carrots seem to be soaking up all the oil. So I'll add a bit of oil. Sorry guys, I'm so traditional when I'm cooking. Wait, Papa. I don't put items in bowls. I just cut them up in a cutting board, and that was it. I'm adding some curry powder because it's an egg curry. I'm going to add 2 sachets. And then mix that in as well. Ensure the curry is well incorporated in hoho. And hoho spring.
Mom, yeah, I'm doing with you.
Yeah, cut it here.
Cut it.
Cut it. It's looking so good and it's smelling so good. And this is just carrot alone and tomatoes, hoho. So this is how it's supposed to look. It is smelling amazing, absolutely amazing. It usually has a component of wheat, so it makes everything so thick and delicious. So I'll do around 3 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Mom, what is that? Mom, what is that?
Soy sauce.
Yes?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
I love that soy sauce.
You love it.
Yes.
To allow everything to cook and just incorporate. So we're just going to allow this to cook, and we cook it on low heat. So we'll add a bit of sugar. Then we'll add a bit of Himalayan salt. The good thing about Himalayan salt is that it doesn't have like a really strong taste compared to the normal the normal salt. So I'll just add a bit of that. So we're going to put in our eggs now and just give them a mix in. This is our egg. Oh gosh, that looks so good. For the egg yolks, you just smash because they'll also make the curry super thick. So I just smash them using a fork. You can add a bit of oil, or you can let them be. Curry also usually has a lot of oil, but sasa na bei ya mafuta, we just do something that is much simpler. So this is how and it's good to also leave some chunks, because it's actually a good surprise when you're eating and you find a yolk just swimming in the soup. We're going to add in our yolks. And then stir that in as well. Just going to, the thing is we're going to put the lid on and let that simmer for like another 5 to 10 minutes.
Let me tell you. The bus this year, and she goes upstairs to see a friend. She removes her slippers, then she get inside. Then why is the picture like this? Oh, does it turn the way it was?
Kuta uweke hapa. Kuta uoneshe hapa. Cut.